Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PHP project in Visual Studio Code in a very simple way. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to open our Visual Studio Code. Before that, we need to create a folder into htdocs. So I'm going to create a folder into htdocs. And then I'm going to type it as my PHP project. Then I'm going to save it. And then what I have to do, I need to open the Visual Studio Code and click on the open folder and then click on htdocs and you just need to select my project and select the folder. And now I'm going to create a new file. So I'm going to create new file and then type over here index.php. That's it. And now I'm going to open the index.php and then going to copy this project, going to paste it. And now I'm going to simply save it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my browser to showing which project I wrote over here. So I'm going to type over here local host. I'm going to give slash and then going to type my PHP project. I just need to write the file name or the folder name. And then I'm going to type over here index.php and that's it. I need to open it. So as you can see that the site can be reached. So before that, what we have to do, we need to open the XAMPP control panel and then we need to start these two Apache and MySQL, and then if we just save it everything, and now if we try over here, and as you can see it's showing the project that good afternoon. So this is how we can simply create PHP project in Visual Studio Code, and you can simply get the output from here by simple this project. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.